Hello and welcome to my drawing demonstration of a CSX Stealth Gray GP38-2, number 2559. And the first step is to draw the rail. I draw it basically right between a ½ inch and 3/4 of an inch, and then basically come in about an inch, and the length of the engine is right at about 9 inches here, the way I draw it. And then it's a little, when it's 9 inches, it's a little bit less than an inch. Off the rail to the top of the frame. And basically there we have the frame, and it's 1.25 inches to cab, and a little bit over an inch. It's a cab. Basically in this first video here, we're going to be kind of blocking out where the first basic lines of the engine go. And about 1.5 inches up is the roof. Now I've drawn a lot of trains, so I recommend that you do this a lot more slowly than I'm doing it. But I'm just drawing it a little bit faster for the sake of presentation of the video. And right here, about 1.25 inches is now on a GP38-2, the roof line right there kind of leave an empty spot for the paper box filter right there. And then a little over 1/4 inch this is where the doors don't go all the way to the bottom. And put the nose in too. And a little bit over 1 inch is where the nose height is. Kind of bring that down a little bit. Don't be afraid to erase. And there's the front. There's the battery box step. And kind of basically getting it ready to put the engine room doors in. Put the steps down here. As you can see, it's basically, we're getting the shape of the engine. These steps are right a little bit less than a half of an inch. And kind of pretty much getting it pretty well ready for the next step. We'll put the engine room doors in and the filter, air filters. I'll put the steps in on this step. There we go. Okay, and you can even put the cab window. Basically, one of the fun things about drawing is a lot like a puzzle or something. You can kind of put details just about any order you want in a lot of ways. Okay. And we're probably ready to move on to step 2.